Good morning, I'm Clinton Griffiths. Happening right now, markets are getting into position ahead of tomorrow's big crop reports from USDA, when we'll get an update on old crop ending stocks and a look ahead at this year's crop going into the ground right now. Ag Day's Michelle Rook joins us. And Michelle, a lot is riding on this report for both traders and producers.
Clinton, the May WASDE report will provide the first new crop estimates for both production and ending stocks for this growing season. And it could be a very volatile report because USDA has to make this transition between very tight old crop stocks and the new crop, which is expected to see much larger supplies, at least for corn and soybeans. Old crop corn ending stocks are expected to increase by about 24 million bushels with lower exports. For new crop, USDA will use the 91.5 million acre planting intentions and trendline yield, which puts production estimates over 15 billion bushels and ending stocks over 2 billion. Market experts say that means a huge transition between the two crops.
The trade is looking for a 2 billion bushel carryout. If you look at where the trade is expecting old crop carryout to new crop carryout, that spread's about a 750 million bushel spread, and that is the fourth largest on record. So we're going to have a pretty big build in new crop supplies as at this point, assuming all goes well.
For soybeans, the transition between old and new crop is much tighter. USDA will use the 87.5 million acre planting intentions, so production is estimated at 4.5 billion bushels, with a modest increase in ending stocks to 293 million.
For soybeans, it's not as bad. There we're looking at the same amount of acres as last year, but bigger yield potential, little tightening maybe of the demand side. But stocks are still building close to 90 million, 70 million to 90 million. So still, it's a stocks increase, which is a little bit negative.
And Martinson says for old crop soybean carryover, the trade is only expecting a slight adjustment to 212 million bushels. Now in wheat, the focus will be on the hard red winter wheat crop and how many acres are abandoned in states like Kansas and Oklahoma. However, the production estimate is currently above last year by about 57 million bushels. New crop ending stocks estimates are at 602 million bushels, almost even with last year, but a 10-year low. Reporting for Ag Day, I'm Michelle Rook.